All right, today I have a Hyundai Kona, and I'm going to show you where to add refrigerant in this Hyundai Kona for your air conditioner to blow cool air. I'm going to show you where to do it. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Hyundai Kona. In order to add refrigerant into your vehicle, what you're going to do is make sure your vehicle is in park, okay? Your car is on, you add the refrigerant with the car on, it's on a flat leveling place. Make sure your parking brake is engaged, which I'm going to do it. My foot is on park, and I engage the parking brake so the vehicle won't roll. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look down towards here, and you see this? This is the lever for the hood. I'm going to pull it until you hear it pop, and then I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle right here. Okay, so I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle, and I'm going to take the latch, safety latch, pull it right here. See what I did? I just did like that. And then I am going to put the kickstand into place. You see that? I did that. And then I'm going to look down here, and I'm going to look for the low pressure nozzle right here. This is high pressure. You don't want to look for the high pressure because that is not where you add the refrigerant. On this vehicle, it is right in the back right here. You see that? See that L right there? You unscrew this cap, and then you attach the refrigerant to the nozzle, and then you read the instructions for your vehicle and the refrigerant, and you refill it inside of that right there. All right, so that is how you refill, the location of where you refill the refrigerant in a Hyundai Kona. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.